Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make a keema recipe. It's very simple with simple ingredients. So let's get started. So I'll be making this in a pressure cooker. While the pressure cooker is heating, I'll be adding around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. So now once the oil is heated, I'll be adding in 2 cloves, around 5 to 6 peppercorns, cinnamon stick. Okay, I'll just give it a mix. Now this recipe has a little more flavor of jeera. Okay, so I'll be adding in around half teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds. And now once the cumin seeds starts crackling, I'll be adding in 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped. And now I'll just mix it. So we need to keep the flame on medium and we will fry this onion until they turn brown. Okay, we don't want it to burn. So keep stirring it while it's frying on medium flame. If the flame is low, it's okay, but still keep stirring it so that we don't burn the onion. So just when the onion starts getting brown at the edges, I'll be adding ginger garlic. So I've taken 3 garlic cloves. Now these are the big garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. I've crushed them. You can also use ginger garlic paste if you want. Now I'll add this into the onion and we'll fry this along with the onion. Okay, now here I am turning the flame low. Okay, so as you can see, the onions have turned brown. So we need to fry this onion until they turn this brown. So once the onions have turned brown, I'll be adding in the keema. So this is 500 gram of keema, 20% of which is fat. So just mix it well. And here I'll also be adding in half teaspoon of turmeric powder. One teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. Just give it a mix. So while you're frying this on medium flame, just make sure that you keep stirring it. Alright, and you can keep the flame low for some time, then keep it on medium. But just make sure that you fry this well for around 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes that I kept this frying. Okay, now you can see the water also has dried up. And now at this point, I will add 1 medium-sized tomato chopped. And I'm adding 2 green chilies. So out of which one is a dark green and one is a light green chili that I'll be adding. Now chili is something that you can add it according to your taste. If you want it spicy, you can increase the green chili. And now I'll just mix it well. And here I'll be adding in fresh green peas. And I'll add fresh coriander leaves. So this is around half a cup of fresh coriander leaves. I finely chopped it. Just give it a mix. I will also be adding in potato. So I have 2 medium-sized potato. Potato is optional. My daughter and my wife, they both like potato, even me. So for kids, when they are eating their food, when you add potato to their curry or with you serve them with rice and this keema and add potato, they love it. Okay, now at this point I'll be adding in water. Okay, I'll also check the salt here, if the salt is proper. I'm finding the salt a little less. And since we have added the potato will absorb. Yeah, nice smell, right? You love this, baby? So I'm adding in a little salt. And now we will pressure cook this on medium flame until we get one whistle, and then I will turn the flame off. So it's been around 10 minutes that I've let this pressure settle down. Okay, and now we will open this. Wow, look at this. It's perfectly done. Can you see the oil? Okay, so this is perfectly done, and we'll check the potato as well. See this. Okay, so the potato also is perfectly cooked. If you give it 2 whistles and let it settle down, the potatoes might smash. Okay, that was the perfect timing. And now I will serve this. Look at this. So guys, my keema recipe is ready. Do let me know in the comments below how many of you all love this recipe and will try this recipe out. Please share this video with your friends and family and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. My name is Stan. I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.